Two rocket launchers. Two terrifying weapons of World War II. The Soviet Katyusha, fast, deadly, and relentless. Mounted on trucks, it rained rockets by the dozens, leveling entire battlefields. Soldiers called it Stalin's organ, because when it played, destruction followed. Then came the Nebelwerfer, the German screaming Mimi. Fewer rockets, but terrifying. Its wailing siren sent chills down enemy spines. It struck with precision, but left a deadly trail of smoke, exposing its position. Firepower versus fear. Speed versus accuracy. Two weapons, one goal, total destruction.